Hey guys! Tonight we are making one of Kevin's favorites, Krystal Burgers. So the key to a Krystal Burger is that it's on a soft white bun, and we're going to be using King's Hawaiian rolls, and then a super thin patty. And we're going to be using some ground beef that we've smushed into a gallon bag and froze. And so now we're going to pull it out and cut it up into our tiny little burgers. Another essential to the Krystal Burger is cheese, pickles, onion, and mustard. I will be a rebel and put mayonnaise on mine.
Not just regular mayonnaise.
Not just regular mayonnaise. This is Japanese mayonnaise. So we love watching this guy on YouTube called Sam the Cooking Guy. And he always uses this mayonnaise. And so we were influenced by an influencer.
Totally.
On YouTube.
Totally.
To buy Japanese mayonnaise off of Amazon. It's delicious. So let's make our Krystal Burgers.
Do it.
So the key to the onion is that it's diced into super fine little pieces. So we're gonna be chopping this up as small as we possibly can, because we want it to mimic pretty closely the original bankrupt Krystal. So now what we're going to do, because we have it in a gallon bag, is I'm just going to tear it open and leave most of it on the gallon bag, and then we're going to cut it into our squares to fit our burgers. There we go. Okay. I need to be like Sam the Cooking Guy. I internalize everything, whereas he just like talks about it.
Get it out.
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and cut them into the little squares.
Okay.
They're going to be about that size. So I think we'll go about here.
Yeah.
The rest of the way.
Beautiful.
Let's see.
Just wish the rest was still frozen.
It's alright. It's alright.
We'll make it work.
We're good. Yeah. Okay. Now, let's turn on our grill. So I'm gonna just put some pan on here just to ensure optimal non-stickage.
Optimal non-stickage.
Non-stickage.
Don't want to stick into your opticals.
No. And Kevin swears that the onions are cooked. I don't know about that, but
Pretty sure.
we're gonna cook them.
They're not like softy soft, but they're cooked.
Okay. When these start sizzling, we'll know it's hot enough to cook the burgers. Let's go ahead and salt and pepper. We gotta season. Just a little bit of pepper. Just a little bit. Now, let's cheese them. All right, now let's go ahead and make a few. Oh man, I love these rolls so much. They're so light and fluffy and sweet. So what's the proper form for this? Burger first?
Burger with the cheese. We're laying it on top.
So burger. Oh man, just the right size. Looky there. I thought they were going to be too small. That was a little small. Let's think of it.
But
Let's get a better one. There we go. So, onion. And mustard, right, on the top. And pickles. Ready?
miles away from any Krystal, but look at that. Get it.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby. Represent. Man.
Oh man, that looks good. Look at that perfection. Onions, pickle, mustard. Let's get that first bite in. That's real good. The crunch of the pickle, the onion with the burger is just delightful, and the mustard gives it just the right tang on the sweet, fluffy bun. We did good.
All right. Can't wait to try it. 1,000 miles from a Krystal. Let's see what this is like. Oh my gosh. Cooked to a medium with just enough thickness that you kind of wish you had with a Krystal burger. Oh, the mustard, the pickles is what does it. Mm-hmm. That crunch. A Krystal that's dripping juice. That's what you want. I don't think I'll be going back. Oh, there is hope for the future. Oh, it's so good. Good job.
Good job.
Man. That's it.
Yeah.
That's freaking it.
That's good, huh?
Guys, I can't tell you how good this is. This is going on the rotation.
Krystal Burgers.
Burgers?
Burgers.
I'm so hungry.
Sorry. I got a pickle. Do you want me to talk and chew? Is my nose ring crooked? I feel like I should have put on some makeup.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey guys! Another thing. What is it?
If they're like that.
Cheese.
You want a knife?
I got one.
That's not a knife. It'd be cool if I was ready. That's a knife. It's dirty.
You raised an eyebrow when you said that. You look good.